Real talk, remember when our moms were like, just work hard and life will work out? Yeah. Meanwhile, we're hustling 2 jobs, paying $7 for iced coffee just to cope, and still feeling broke. It's like we got handed a rule book that expired. We grew up on, go to college, get a job, you'll be set. Instead, we graduated into chaos, student loans breathing down our necks, rent that feels like dating a toxic boyfriend, and jobs paying vibes instead of dollars. Boomers bought homes for the price of an iPhone. US? We're Venmo requesting roommates for Wi-Fi money and praying our bank app doesn't jump scare us. Working hard isn't broken. The system is. So if working hard isn't enough anymore, what actually builds freedom? Because doing nothing means waking up at 30, still stuck, broke, and exhausted. We're not staying in survival mode. We're flipping the script. This generation isn't lazy. We're done being broke. Hey besties, it's Sophia. Welcome back to Sophia Cash Channel, helping you glow up financially. Don't forget to hit subscribe. We don't gatekeep around here. This is not financial advice. It's education and empowerment only. Today we're diving into why this system feels rigged, how we're breaking cycles, and the habits that actually build freedom. Stay till the end. Your future self will thank you. We're done living in just survive mode. As Gen Z women, we're not waiting for someone to rescue us. We're building our own financial freedom because stability isn't enough anymore. We want options, peace, and the freedom to design our lives. We are shifting from survive the week vibes to long-term wealth. That means investing early, learning money skills, and building habits that future us will be proud of. We're planting seeds today so we can chill with confidence tomorrow. We're not trying to be another can't afford an emergency statistic. We're stacking emergency funds, investing consistently, and preparing so life doesn't shake us. We refuse to let money stress steal our peace. We don't wait for security to magically come. We create it. We're choosing wealth, peace, and opportunity over fear and uncertainty. Because real luxury is having options, time, and a life that feels like you. Girl, let's be real. Nobody taught us money in school. They gave us geometry proofs but never explained credit scores or taxes. So now we're taking power back and learning financial game rules ourselves. Our parents learned work hard and be humble, but our generation is like, sis, knowledge is currency. We're not afraid to talk about money, ask questions, and build wealth out loud. Because silence never made anyone rich, confidence did. We grew up watching TikTok and YouTube before trusting dusty old advice that doesn't work anymore. Our financial education isn't boring, it's bite-sized, digital, and actually useful. We're learning smarter, not older. Imagine entering marriage or motherhood already financially secure. Like, you walk in with savings, investments, and a whole mindset ready to build, not survive. That's not selfish with strategy, and it's freedom. Okay, real talk. We're not doing broke culture anymore. We're done pretending constant struggle is cute or normal. We deserve stability, security, and soft life energy, not chaos and overdraft fees. Let's be clear, money boundaries are real. We're splitting checks. We're saying no when something isn't in our budget. And we're not guilt shopping just to look like we belong. We choose financial peace over peer pressure, period. And don't come for us about dating. We're not funding grown men or pretending we don't care about financial effort. Equal energy or nothing. Respect us or lose access. Simple. If it drains our wallet or our peace, it's a no. This era is about protecting our energy, our bank accounts, and our future. Because when we teach people our standards, they rise to meet them. Look, babes, a single paycheck? It's giving 2010 energy, not 2025 survival vibes. These days, one income isn't security. It's stress disguised as stability. We're out here building bag streams like we layer skincare because protection is self-care. The truth? Millionaires don't rely on one check, so why should we? We're learning to treat money like opportunities, not obligations. 7 streams may sound wild, but baby, even adding 2 or 3 puts you ahead of the game. We freelance, we create content, we sell skills. We don't wait for Friday to feel secure. Money hitting on random Tuesdays? That's a soft life. That's peace. That's freedom. So yeah, we're loyal, but not to corporations. We're loyal to growth, to freedom, and to never stressing over the rent due email again. Like Warren Buffett said, never depend on a single income. Period. Let's be real, the broke girl era is out, and romanticizing smart money is in. We're done flexing impulse spending just to regret it later. Instead, we're flexing control, peace, and plans that actually build us up. We choose intentional spending now, like cute budget templates, cozy nights in, and learning how to make that balm iced coffee at home. Not because we're boring, but because we're building our soft girl financial life. High-value habits greater than random shopping sprees. Old flex was designer bags. New flex? Bills paid, savings growing, investments compounding like magic. We're literally choosing stability as the new luxury. And honestly, it hits different. Our motto is simple: save first, spend what's left. Because peace greater than pressure. And secure money energy? That's our entire personality now, and we're proud of it. Girl, real talk, we're not chasing stress anymore. We grew up watching burnout culture, and honestly, that era is canceled. We're choosing calm mornings, aligned goals, and money that supports peace, not chaos. Peace is the new flex, bestie, because what's the point of grinding 80 hours a week if you don't even have time to breathe or enjoy your matcha latte? We don't just want money, we want time, energy, and a soft life with boundaries. Gen Z women aren't lazy, we're strategic. We'd rather build wealth slowly with intention than burn out fast and break down. Soft life isn't weakness, it's alignment and smart energy management. Our version of success isn't stress, it's peace of mind, healthy routines, and money that gives options. If hustle culture was survival mode, we're stepping into our thriving era. Because wealthy isn't just dollars, it's freedom, rest, and joy. Girl, if there's one cheat code to financial peace, it's starting early. We don't just save coins, we plant seeds for rich future vibes. We're not waiting until burnout hits. We're building wealth soft lifestyle, starting now. Starting young is our secret weapon. Even $300 a month can turn into 6 figures. Like, literally wealth leveling up while we sip iced matcha. Time is our best friend, and compound growth is doing the heavy lifting for us. We're done letting our money sit in a checking account, doing absolutely nothing. Literally sleeping. Investing means our money is clocking in and working for us, even while we binge Netflix and do skincare. Lazy money? Couldn't be us. We don't chase fear, we chase freedom. Investing early means one day chilling under our own money tree while life feels soft, peaceful, and paid for. The future rich version of you? She's saying, thank you, Queen. We refuse survival mode. We self-educate. We set boundaries. We invest in ourselves, emotionally and financially. We don't chase rich husbands. We build rich lives. Gen Z women are rewriting money rules with confidence, compassion, and community. If this resonated, like, share and subscribe. We don't gatekeep wealth over here. Drop a comment. What's one money move you're making this year? Let's empower each other. No broke energy, only wealthy woman vibes. You deserve a life you don't want to escape from. Keep glowing, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next video. This is Sophia Cash, helping you glow up financially.